Let me tell you something that might hurt a little. You're not lazy. You're not stupid. You're not weak. But you probably quit. Way too early. Just like I used to. If you do this one thing right, I guarantee 100% you will succeed. But if you miss this, your chance of success drops dramatically. You start something. You get excited. You're full of energy, at first. Then, things get hard. You slow down. You skip one day, then another. And before you know it, you're back to square one, feeling like a failure. And worst of all, you tell yourself, I guess I'm just not made for this. But guess what? You were never the problem. The system you're stuck in is. Let me tell you the story of two real YouTubers. They both started from zero. No one watched their first videos, but they kept going because they believed. After 8 months, things changed. The first YouTuber kept going. No big views, no viral moment. Just consistent, steady uploads. The second one hit $20,000 a month fast. Thought it was over. Went on vacation. Started uploading once a month, then once every 2 months. His audience? They forgot him. His income? It dropped. When he came back, nothing was the same. Why? Because he disrespected momentum. But the first YouTuber? Slow, steady, committed. And now? He's on top. Have you ever seen someone succeed just because they were consistent? Or someone lose everything because they stopped? Share your story in the comments below. Momentum is not motivation. It's stronger. Motivation is a feeling. Momentum is a force. It's that inner engine that keeps you moving forward, even when you're tired. Have you ever tried pushing a car? At first, it won't budge. But if you keep pushing and the wheels start turning, it becomes harder to stop. That's what you need in life. You know that guy who goes to the gym for 2 months, sees a little progress, then stops? Says, I deserve a break. He starts eating junk again, goes back to zero, or worse. But someone else? Quiet, consistent, same weights, same routine. Every day. 6 months later, he's unrecognizable. Not because he's special, but because he never stopped. If you just work on your goal for 1 hour a day, you'll hit 365 hours in a year. That's more than 15 full days of focused work. With that time, you could write a book, grow a YouTube channel, transform your body, learn a new language, build real income. Just 1 hour a day. But if you skip one day, then another, momentum dies. Your brain loves comfort. It wants you safe, predictable, danger-free. That's why it loves starting things, but hates finishing them. Because finishing means risk. It means failure is possible. And your brain would rather keep you dreaming than see you fall. So it tells you, it's not the right time. I'll start next week. Let me research more. But that's all an illusion. You don't need more info. You don't need more planning. You just need one thing: movement. Stephen King, the famous author, wrote just 500 words a day for 3 years. Every single day. Rain, sickness, exhaustion. It didn't matter. He wasn't chasing perfection. He wasn't chasing fame. He wanted one thing: consistency. And now, over 60 books, more than 400 million copies sold, just because he never broke the chain. So what should you do? Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. One small move. Not perfect, not huge. Just one step. Keep going. Every day. Even when you don't feel like it. Even when you don't see results. Momentum is like a muscle. You have to feed it. Keep it alive. One day you'll look back, and you won't remember the day you felt most inspired. You'll remember that one tired, cold morning when you showed up anyway. Just action. That's the day your life changed. Not because conditions were magical, but because you respected the process. You don't have to be special. You don't have to be fast. You just have to keep going. Even if it's slow. Even if it's messy. Even if no one's watching. Just keep going. Because momentum doesn't care how you start. It only cares if you stop. And if you don't stop, momentum will carry you straight to success. If you're still watching, that means this video mattered to you. So why not stick around? Subscribe so we keep pushing forward. Together.